Hello guys, welcome. We are going to be transforming this design into something else. This design happens to be for a store that sells men's accessories. Okay, so they sell wristwatches, they sell shoes, sneakers, and some other men's accessories like ties, belt, and some other stuff. So I'm going to be redesigning something for this brand. Yeah, let's get into it. So first and foremost, I've showed you this website before, and I've also shown you this website. Okay, these are the two websites I get images from for free. You can also use Pinterest. All right, Pinterest, which is also one of the most popular ones. So in order for us to have an idea of what we are looking for, we're going to just search men's accessories in this and then we're going to see different pictures of men's accessories. All right. We can see wristwatch is here. We can see these are shoes. Can see all this stuff. Okay, so bags, things like that, like that, belt. So just to have idea of what we'll be, searching for. So since we already have an idea of what we're looking for, what we just go is to search for men's wristwatch. Men's wristwatch. Okay, so now men's wristwatch we load and we'll see. Okay, so now these type of pictures are not PNG files, all right? That means the background are not transparent, but you can still make good use of some of these pictures, okay? So the reason why I have the other website open, which is PNG, is because of transparent backgrounds, all right? I'm going to be downloading from both websites just for the purpose of the design. We're going to do maybe two or different kinds of design, two, three, yeah, let's see. So I'm going to download this, but I will need this. I will need this image, all right? So I'll click on it, and all of this is so good because coming here gives you inspiration. I didn't even think of using this kind of image before coming here. So seeing it, I'm already thinking of, oh, I can do something with this type of picture. All right. So when we get to the designing phase, that's when we'll see. Let me create a new folder for this so that everything we're going to be needing for this design will be here. So let's just say Goodie Store, because that's the name of the brand, Goodie Store. So we open that and save the file there, right? You can see other good pictures we can use. These are very, very good pictures we can use for the background of the design. All right. These are good, great pictures, elegant photos that you can use to design. So we'll just be downloading as many as we can, not because we use all of them, but we'll just be interpolating the pictures in the design and then we'll see if we get the one that will match best. All right. So while we wait for that to load, we just come to PNG. So we type men's wristwatch, men's wristwatch, and we're gonna get transparent images here. All right, images that the backgrounds are transparent. Okay, so you can see different transparent images from PNG, and we are going to download a few. Download the ones with different colors, and we kind of see later on if we choose the best one later. Okay, so let's just download those four. All right, I didn't click on this one. Okay, I didn't click on that one. So I have all these images loading, and once they finish loading, we'll download them. All right, so now let's search for wallet, uh, men's wallet. Wallet was also one of those stuff that we saw as part of men's accessory, and yeah, you can even see a collection of men's accessory here, which you can also download and use for your design. All right. So I think I should go for something without a name because this is nice. Click on that one, right? Come back, click on another one. I think we can click on I love. You can always come back here to download things later on. I just wanted to show you that you can get quality images from here, or remind you because I've talked about this before. Okay, guys, so I've downloaded quite a lot of images, and this is Pinterest where you can also get more and more images. All right, you can see men's accessories like we already doing before, and you'll see quite a lot of stuff. Okay, quality images that you can also use for your designs. Right, these are crazily quality. Like, it is so much beauty, so much beauty, so much quality. All you just have to do is to come to this place and you click download image, okay, and you save it. All right, these are so beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful. You can see even the ones with the case. You can literally just get all of your images from Pinterest, okay, or you can get all your images from Pinterest. I like Pinterest a lot. You can literally get all of your images from Pinterest, okay? All the images that you will need from Pinterest, and you have beautiful images here. Beautiful images. Now, there is an unlimited amount of images from this Pinterest. You can't simply exhaust all the images. You just have to download the ones you can download. And while your design is forming in your head, because most times as you begin to see images, the design will be forming in your head, okay? And you can even come to a site like Pinterest like this to get design ideas, all right? So you don't have to rack your head over what and what to design or not. You just um, you'll get more than enough, more than enough. You will get more than enough images that you can use. Okay, so why am I doing all of this? Downloading as many uh, images as I can download is because I want to do quite a number of designs for the brand. So, and when you are doing something like that, you just have to give yourself the freedom of creativity, right? And when you begin to see more than enough tools, more than enough images, you begin to get ideas. Okay, so, okay, so let's stop there for now. Minimize this window, and we come to our design application, which is Photoshop. Okay, so we're using Photoshop to design. All right, guys. So this blank document just opened for um, the design. Okay, this is square. This is 2,000 pieces by 2,000 pieces, and I just have to rename this design. Okay, I have to save it so that we will not lose our design in case of any uh, scenario that is unpleasant. So let me come here. Now also save it to the same destination as the downloads folder. I think it was Goodie Store. Yeah. So we save it as Goodie one. So we'll save it here and we'll get to work now. Now the images we have are so many. So sometimes the images can make you even lose focus on what you are about to do. But I don't think that should be any challenge. Like I've already told you before that as a designer, what you should be looking forward to doing if you're a beginner is to go to Pinterest and get design ideas from Pinterest because that will give you some headway or some heads up on what to do over any particular design. You don't have to replicate someone else's design like the way it was done originally. You just need to create your own stuff by looking at inspiration from other people. All right. So let me do something like this. Let me bring images for shoes. All right. images for shoes. For shoes, I think images for shoes. One, two, three. This design would have been easier done with Canva, but let me see what I can do with it. Let me see what I can do. It. Okay, so at this point, I was trying to do the design, but everything that I was doing, I didn't like it, so I had to quickly delete everything and kind of started afresh again. So this is the part where design is kind of more, if you call it technical, when you are doing the design from your head, all right? Because this design, I was doing it from my head. So here was where I deleted everything and then I started again. So this is where transparent images comes in. But what I want to do now, could not achieve it with the other image. So we have to look at some other stuff. So that's why I like Canva, okay, because you can just remove the background without any challenge. I don't have that feature on this Photoshop because it's not the latest version. So, so I'm gonna look for another image. I have the transparent background, and I'm gonna bring it to that place. Already let me see. Or I can quickly just open Canva and remove the background. Then okay, what am I working with here? Let's see. So we need something to color it. I'm gonna use the color of this one. Yeah, that's a good contrast. We can. You think that color is okay? Because we're trying to. Maybe we should make it darker. I think we're trying to do something nice with these colors. Let's see if we make this one. Taking the colors here. Pick this. Yeah, I think this is better. So we're just trying to make something nice out of this, and we can duplicate this and take it up a bit and make the color something closer to what we already have here. Take it down. Okay, so I don't know if you get what I'm trying to do. I think it's okay. I think that's good. That's good. That's better. So now remember there's no logo. She doesn't have a logo. Okay, she doesn't have a logo. So uh let me see if she has a logo. She doesn't have a logo. She doesn't have a logo. So we're gonna do a test here. And this is just one design we can do. There's so many designs we can do for her, but we're just doing this from our head. And the underscore store. That's her name. Put the underscore store. So put the store, and can do this like that. Put the store. Um, okay, we need phone number. 100 here. Need a phone number. Our phone number is 07064244742. Okay, and then our Instagram. Come on, come on, come on. I don't know what's going on. System is lagging. Sorry. Okay. My Instagram is goody goody underscore empire. Okay, so um okay, so we we do this together. All right. Something like this. Put it down. So we're going to bring some of our ng, bring her. That's also our WhatsApp number. Then I have those things. So system is taking time. Okay, our WhatsApp number. We'll take this one. This WhatsApp logo. Okay, so color. Make it white. Make white better. Okay, then let's go and bring Instagram icon. I used to have all these things. This is Instagram icon. So All right, so not much information, right? So we'll just put the get high quality resources, the get high quality shoes. Okay, so we just do something like Ctrl J, get get high quality shoes at great prices. Great prices you will love. So just make it smaller. I think I can change the font. What do you think? And and uh, and get it delivered to you anywhere in Nigeria. So we think nine. No, we should make it 11. Yeah. Control S. Right. So mm, so let me lock this. Lock that. What else is under here? Okay, that's it. Control S. Now the thing is, these are, if you check this design, the color is just roughly three: brown and milk color. In between the brown and the milk, every other thing comes in, right? Even the blue, okay, maybe the blue is a third color, the brown and the blue and the milk color or cream color. This color, every other color is in between, right? Every other color is in between the cream and the brown. So white and black are not colors in design. So I'm just trying to see if there's a way we can improve on this design, put other stuff on it and make it more beautiful. But this is a simple design. When someone sees it, it just tells you that this person is into selling of shoes, right? So we can now add more images of shoes as we like, because I'm beginning to see that we can have more fun. Yeah, design can be fun sometimes. We can have more fun. Let's see if we can have more. Okay, we did download so many transparent background shoes. This is transparent, it's transparent, it's transparent. Okay, so let me see if I can bring other ones in. I can bring this in. Is that okay there? Maybe we can zoom this in, out rather. And now I think having it 1-1 is better. Yes, I think having it 1-1 is better. Do you think this will be better? No. So I believe this is better. So if we want to do other stuff and make more designs, then we can probably add a circle. Maybe we can add a circle and ellipse around here. Okay, that circle, that circle. We now come in, trying to introduce quite a lot. Let's put a stroke. The stroke will take this color, this color, this color. Okay, so maybe then we can increase this. add that particular auto design, which is this one. Let's add it here. Make it beautiful. Just okay, something like that. Oh, you think? You think it's okay? No, no. I'm just trying to see how I can. Something like this. I think it's okay. Don't know. I just wanted something that will anchor all of the design together. Something that will bring everything together. Okay. I put it here. Now I just need something that will anchor everything together. Yeah, something like that. I don't know if that's beautiful, but I just feel like adding something more. If you see, is this design okay like this? How should I add the other guy? What do you think? So this is just a simple design, very simple. May not be that fine, but the person I'm doing it for will appreciate it. And um, basically, don't have to do too much. Just do something the person will appreciate, and that's what matters more. Okay. Get quality shoes. Should I change this font? No. Okay. Uh, That's regular. Making it regular is better. Yeah. So um, what else? Nothing. I think this is good. So this is good. We can send it to her like that. So this is one of the design we've made from the previous design. So I'm trying to convert them. Now we'll do the one for wristwatch. All right. Let's do the one for wristwatch. Control S. So let's kind of duplicate this one.